Everybody, this is Ionacus, and I'm doing a review on the Gen 1 Micromaster Airstrike Patrol. My 4 Decepticon Micromasters. And I'm going to bring this camera down. It's a nicer, closer look to these Decepticon Micromasters. It's a very popular team. They do seem to be the ones that everybody seems to have, these guys. Relatively cheap online. And nice colors is Whisper. You fold his wings back. The front of the jet pulls forward. You flip the nose cone out back. And there's Whisper. Then we have Storm Cloud. Transforms in a very similar manner. Wings out, front down, nose cone back, arms out, and there you go. And these are the two. I had to look these guys up on the TF info site. This is Nightwind. No, wait. Tailwind is this guy. You fold his wings back, nose cone behind him, and pull the legs forward and down. And that's his robot mode. When I first got these guys, I thought he was missing his arms, but that's how his arms go. And that's the best looking Micromaster, but there are worse ones than him. And this is Night Flight. You fold his nose cone back, and you flip his legs out, and the wings back. He has a little more traditional Micromaster transform. And he's got a blue chest and upper legs. And his arms, lower legs, and back face are all gray with a red face. It's a nice looking Micromaster. Tailwind is kind of the opposite. He's got the head and torso and upper legs are all gray, and the rest of him is all blue, including the blue-faced. And Storm Cloud is, he got black chest and upper legs and lower legs and arms and wings that are all purple. He was repainted from Universe Power Glide a few years ago. It's a Voyager scale figure. And I don't think I ever got that one. I kind of regret it now. But consider the fact that that figure did sort of look like Power Glide. And Storm Cloud is just really good. Definitely one I should have picked up. And now finally we got Whisper. Purple chest and purple upper legs. Lower legs black. Arms back and wings are all black with a kind of a silver face. They all have wheels, and of course they roll decently. But that's all for the Micromaster Airstrike Patrol. If you you're a Gen 1 Transformer collector, you should definitely get these guys if you like the Micromasters. They're generally pretty cheap online, and there's a lot of them out there. So if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, leave comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.